Hey guys, Mr. McSweeney here to help you with tener expressions. So why do we use tener for all of these expressions? In English, we use the verb to be. You would say, I am hungry, I am cold, I am thirsty. Well, in Spanish, we're not using adjectives, we're actually using nouns. So you're going to say, I have hunger, I have heat, I have cold. And so in Spanish, we're going to use tener because, one, we have to. That's just the way the expressions work. But also because we're not using an adjective, we're using a noun. So why do you need to conjugate tener? Well, remember way back when we talked about conjugating and how important that is. If you don't conjugate tener, then you're stuck with the infinitive to have. So instead of saying yo tener frio, which means I to have cold, you would say yo tengo frio. And so you're going to conjugate that so that the subject matches up with the verb and the time, and we do the things the right way. So why do you conjugate? Because we always conjugate, unless you're mixing that up with some other verbs. But typically, you're always going to conjugate that verb. So let's run through our list and see what these mean. Tener calor means to be hot. So right now it's August, it's like 97 degrees and it just rains, so it's really gross outside. And if I'm outside, I would say, yo tengo calor. And it's kind of cool because that's just like our hacer calor, right? For it's hot. Uf, hoy hace calor. Yo tengo calor. So you can see how these expressions start working together. Opposite of that is tener frio, which is to be cold. Tener hambre means to be hungry. Tener sed means to be thirsty. Tener sueño means to be sleepy. Tener miedo means to be afraid or to be scared. Tener prisa means to be in a hurry. Tener razón means to be right. And so if you're wrong, you don't have razón. You no tener razón would be to not be right. So if I say something incorrect, I would say, oh, perdón, yo no tengo razón. Or a student could tell me, Señor McSweeney, usted no tiene razón. Tener orgullo is to be proud. So yo tengo mucho orgullo de mis hijos y mis estudiantes. And finally, tener suerte is to be lucky or to have luck. Now in English, when you're hungry, but you're really hungry, you say, oh man, I'm so hungry. In Spanish, you're going to use mucho. Yo tengo mucho hambre. And so that's one way of kind of amping it up if you want to be a little bit more expressive. If you're not hungry, yo no tengo hambre. Or maybe you can say, I'm a little hungry. Yo tengo un poco hambre. Have some fun with this, practice it a lot. I hope this helps, and good luck.